In this video, I am announcing my Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge. Stay tuned for the details. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am so excited. I am sharing the Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge. I just couldn't wait any longer to post this video. I had so much fun and we had such a good response in the Summer Kitchen Vignette Challenge that it was all I could do to wait to host the Fall Summer See? I'm just too excited. So as you can see, it was all I could do to wait to post this Fall Challenge. But before I get into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. Or if you want to learn about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will list my favorite home and gardening solutions. Okay, so let's get into the details of the challenge. First of all, it is a fall themed challenge. So all things fall, but it's got to be on a tray, because remember, you got to be able to pick it up and move it aside. And the tray, the item has to be something that you would put on your kitchen counter, your kitchen table, your kitchen island, somewhere in your kitchen. And if you're like me, sometimes I need that space to prep. So that's the purpose behind it being on a tray that you can pick up and move aside when you need that counter space or whatever. So that's rule number one, is that it must be on a tray. And I'm really excited to see the kind of trays that you've come up with. You guys were so creative in the Summer Kitchen Vignette Challenge that I am just looking forward to seeing what you do now. And if you missed that challenge, I'll link that video below, and I also put up an iCard so that you can take a look at that. Okay, now rule number two is that you must have fall themed items or fall decor items on the tray. And fall might be just a little bit different in different areas. Like, for example, here in Indiana, fall is apple picking time. The apples come out, so we have fall festivals like the Johnny Appleseed Festival, and there's other apple festivals around the state. We have a lot of apple cider and things like that. But then also the pumpkins and the squash and veggies, it's like fall harvest time as well. So those are some things that you might want to include on your tray. And then when I look at the calendar, we've got Rosh Hashanah beginning on September 9th. We've got Yom Kippur beginning on September 18th. So for my Jewish friends, there may be some things that are related to your faith that you might want to put on the tray, because it's one of those fall holy days. And I would love to see something like that from you as well. And then, of course, Thanksgiving is one of the big fall holidays. And if you think about the whole origin of Thanksgiving, it had to do with being thankful for, surviving the year, being thankful for the fall harvest, being thankful for family, just so many things of thanks related to Thanksgiving. So I include that as one of the big fall holidays. So all things fall except no Halloween. Now, the reason for no Halloween is because I want you to be able to use your kitchen vignette through the Thanksgiving holiday. And then when you're ready to switch it out for the winter holidays, you're good to go. So no Halloween items specifically for that purpose. The other thing you want to have on your tray is a plate. I love pretty plates, and I'm just curious to see what are some of the kind of plates that you have in your home. And the other thing you need is something with words on it. It can be a plaque, it can be a dish, it can be an item. For example, this little fall decor item has words on it. This little dish that I use all year round has words on it. This magnet that I got from Decorating with Liz has words on it. This plate has words on it. So you could kill two birds with one stone and put in a plate that had words on it. That's up to you. This teapot has words on it. And then, of course, a book has words on it. So how you implement the words piece is up to you. I'm really interested to see how creative you can be. And then for the title, it is Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge, hosted by Denise Jordan. This and That with Denise Jordan is entirely too long to ask you to put in a title. So it's going to be the Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge, hosted by Denise Jordan. And then any other items that you can think of that you think meets your needs for the tray. I am just so excited to see what you guys come up with. Oh, now let's talk about upload date. So upload date is going to be Tuesday, September 11th. So this announcement is going up today, and that gives you 2 full weeks to get your tray done. There's no monetary amount put on the tray. You can use thrifted items, purchased items, whatever. But if you do this challenge at no cost, you do need to tell us that, because everybody wants to know how they can do something for nothing. So if you get this challenge done at no cost, please share that. Let's do a recap. The Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge, hosted by Denise Jordan. The video upload date is Tuesday, September 11th. Now, what do you need on your tray? Number 1, you must have some fall decor items, including a floral. Number 2, you need to have a plate. Number 3, you need to have something with words on it. And number 4, you need to title it Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge, hosted by Denise Jordan. And anything else you put on there is up to you. I am looking forward to seeing how creative you can be. And I will create a playlist so that you can pop your videos in the playlist. If you have any trouble, just send me a note in the comment section and I will help you out with that. I want to take this opportunity to remind you that Shara's and my UFO or Unfinished Object Challenge is coming up. That video is due to be uploaded on Friday, August 31st, and we are so excited to see what projects you were able to finish up. And if you missed that challenge, I will link it below so that you can take a look at it. And then just to give you a heads up, my Winter Kitchen Vignette Challenge, which will be uploaded after Thanksgiving, is going to require a suit tureen. So this just gives you a little time to be looking for one. So when you're out thrifting, you can see what you can find that'll fit your price range. I think that's it. I think I've covered everything. So if you have any questions about the Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge hosted by Denise Jordan, leave me a comment in the comment section below and I'll get right back to you. If you have a question about Shara's and my upcoming UFO challenge, which is hard upon us, leave me a comment in the comment section below and we'll get right back to you. Now here's my question for you. What part of the Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge interests you the most? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'm going to start thinking about what's going to go on my Fall Kitchen Vignette. I'll see you in the next video.